Hello guys, today I am going to explain you how you can separate year number, month name, month number, week number, day name and day number if the date is given to you. It is very easy, write manually, write 2023 and the month is January if the list is short, but if the list is long, how can you do it in a second? Very easy. Select the cell, hit is equals to, write year, select the year function and then select the cell where the date is given, bracket close, hit enter. So the year is calculated or separated from the given date. Select the cell, double click on it, all the year are separated from the date. Now for the month number, what you should do, same, hit is equals to, write month, double click on the month function, select the cell, bracket close, hit enter. Now the month number is calculated. Select the cell, double click on it and all the month number are calculated. The week number, same, it is equals to, write week number, or select week number function and select the cell where the date is given, and one thing here, press comma, write 1, bracket close, hit enter. So the week number is calculated. For the day number, same, hit is equals to, write day, select day function and select the cell where the date is given, bracket close, hit enter. The day number is 4 as it is mentioned here. Select the cell, double click on it, all the day numbers are calculated. Now how you can separate the month name from the date, hit is equals to, write text, select the text function, select the cell and comma, inverted comma, for the month write 4 times M, inverted commas closed, bracket closed, hit enter. So the month name is separated from the date. Now the day name is not given anywhere and you want to know what was the day on this date. So for this, it is equals to, write text, select the text function, select the cell and for the date, comma, inverted comma, write 4 times D, inverted commas closed, bracket closed, hit enter. So on the 4th of January, the date was Wednesday. So this is how you can easily separate all these things from the date. If the list is very long, definitely this technique gonna help you a lot. I hope you like this video. Take care. Bye bye.